Hi all, this is Param. In this video, we will see span query. Okay, span query is part of the query DSL. Okay, span query is part of the query DSLs. Okay, it's a low level query. Okay, it's completely low level query. Obviously, for each query, there is a parallel Java class within the Lucene API. Okay, Lucene library. Lucene is search engine. On top of that only Elasticsearch has been built, right? Okay, so what is so whatever we are seeing here, span containing, span within, span term, span or not, span near, multi, span first, span field masking, so everything. Okay, for everything we can find there is a class in the Lucene API itself or Lucene library. Okay, that is what I can say. Okay, it's completely low level. So I could not find any need for real time use case. Okay, I could not find any real time use case. Okay, so obviously right, for many of our DSL query, the given actual query is a rewriting, right? The rewriting is happening, either it converted to the boolean query or rewrite the many should class, something like that. Okay, so obviously rewriting is happening, right, in behind the scenes. Okay, similarly that rewriting maybe include this kind of span query, I believe so, since themselves they are saying it's a low level. Okay, so I have tried all the APIs. Okay, I have tried all the APIs here. Okay, you can see the syntax either in book or here. Okay, it's same. So, okay, because of I have not I could not get any real time use case, so I have not explored much on that. Okay, whatever the given in the book API, sorry, document samples, so I have tried out. Okay, some of them get executed, some of them are not. Okay, that but the syntax are same. So, okay, no issues on the syntax. Okay, terms or element, whatever you want to say. Okay, so it's containing, okay, the field time mask, the first multi, near, not, span or, span term, span within. Okay, so each one is separate, but it contain inside the it contain many span terms. Okay, span terms. Okay, in the span terms, yeah, you can see the span term. Okay, here span terms. Okay, in the span terms, obviously we are specifying the user ID and what is the values. Okay, of course for this we are getting response. Okay, the span time. So similarly all other queries are using span time very often. Okay, again span containing and the span within, right, both category use the big and little class. Okay, so what is happening is so whatever the document matched by this one, it is included or inside of this one. Okay, that's what they are saying, kind of overlapping or something like that. Okay, so again since it is low level, even online document also not that much, just they are saying syntax and they are saying just what is what, that's it. Okay, even what is the Java classes for Lucene library for each types, but they also have not talked much on the span query. So obviously I also don't have much things to explain about the span query. Okay, so one thing I can tell you, what is you may not need to use span query in real time use case. That's what I can say. Even if it is needed, you can consult to the query DSL. Is there any possible alternative syntax or alternative query are there to use to accomplish your use case? Okay, so span query you may not never need in real time use case, but it may be useful for the plugin developer or low level implementations. Okay, low level implementation of Elasticsearch, something like that. Okay, so that's what I believe. Okay, so these are the 7 to 8 types, I think. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, yeah, almost 9. Okay, yeah, almost 9 and 9 separate search and the query syntax are there. Okay, that's all. Yeah, that is what I can say about the span query. So obviously you can ignore the span query, that's what I can say. Okay, or you can avoid it to use in your real use case. Okay, okay, since it is a low level, even document also not that much. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.